got another one. I've unboxed so many Nike packages. It's just been crazy. I've been unboxing weekly. I've been unboxing so many. I've got videos still I need to post. It's just nuts. Nike, you're taking all my money. You need to stop it now. Of course, we've got the move to zero on the box. You know it's from Nike. And now for the best bit, pull. I hate when they put the shipping label in front because then I have to move it around. Boom. Just throw that to the side. Obviously, you've got the red box. Normally, this is an Air Max box. Correct me if I'm wrong. But these are actually a pair of Nike Shox. I've actually wanted this shoe, funnily enough, since 2003, since they came out. I knew someone who had them, well, like a family friend who was older, and I had a little size. Of course, I couldn't get them, and then I was so happy for the re-release. I've been waiting for years and years and years. I keep telling people, look, these are sick, these are sick. People look at me like, what are those? And now nobody's gonna say what are those. Let's just get into it, because I haven't seen these in person, to be honest. Ooh. Shox. These are I call them the full Shox because it's full Shox. Oh my! I think the previous version had like shocks all the way up to here. I'm not sure. I remember a small shock there. Maybe they've changed it up a bit. But I am so happy that I've got a pair of these. This is the all black version. The versions I remember in 03 were, I think, all black with just red springs, and then I think all black with blue springs. Correct me if I'm wrong. I know they did the red one, that's the Skepta version that they released, and they do have the blue one out as well. I don't know if I'm gonna get them. I might. Just got a little mesh. I think these will be good. I don't know. I'm gonna try running them. I don't think I'll be able to. They're quite lightweight actually. I don't know if they're a running shoe or why they were made, to be honest. Quite happy. Very different. Very different. They got actually no leather on these at all. It's all, I think this is like a nylon type of material. I don't know. This is all little plastic. So this is all like man-made levers. Not levers, materials. Got obviously the Shox, the 4 Shox at the back. You can see the Z on the back. Shox. Yeah, there's one big shock like in the middle. Don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up. And yeah, looking forward to try these on because I've actually never had these on foot. Never tried them on. Never seen them in the shop. Anything. I just bought them online, based off the pictures and based off the fact I've been wanting these for many years. I don't think they would have made sense to make them in leather or anything else, but it's a really nice shoe. On foot coming in another video, and yeah, like, subscribe and all that good stuff.